toddlers, it's Jericho. I have a little dance activity for you today for the letter E. We're going to do a song called Elephants Have Wrinkles. E for elephants. So elephants have long trunks. We're going to use our arm like a long trunk for an elephant's nose. Let me see you do an elephant nose with your arm like this. And we're going to swing it side to side. And that's how most of our dance goes. And then we're going to point to different parts of our body like our toes and our ears. Make big elephant ears. Okay, here we go. You can do this song with me. You ready? Get your elephant trunk ready. Stretch it out long. Here we go. Ready? Hold it up to your nose. Let me see you use your elephant trunk. Here we go. Ready? Side to side.
Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles everywhere. On their toes,
On your toes. Point your toes.
no one knows,
No one knows
why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles.
Use your trunk.
Elephants have wrinkles,
Wrinkles everywhere.
on their knees,
On their knees.
on their toes.
On their toes.
No one knows,
No one knows
why. Elephants have
Show me that trunk.
wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles,
Wrinkles everywhere.
on their hips,
On their hips.
on their knees,
On their knees.
on their toes.
On their toes.
No one knows
No one knows.
why.
Your elephant
Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles,
Wrinkles everywhere.
on their ears,
On their ears.
on their hips,
On
On your
their
hips.
on their knees,
On your
On
knees.
their knees.
on their
On your
toes.
On their toes.
No one knows
No one knows.
why.
Show me your elephant. Show me your elephant nose.
Wrinkles everywhere.
On the trunk,
On your trunk.
on their ears,
On your ears.
on their hips,
On their hips.
on their knees,
On their knees.
on their toes.
On their toes.
No one knows
No one knows.
why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles,
Wrinkles everywhere.
on their teeth,
On their teeth.
on their teeth. That's ridiculous.
Silly.
On their trunk,
On your trunk.
on their ears,
On their ears.
on their hips,
On their hips.
on their knees,
On their knees.
on their toes.
On their toes.
No one knows
No one knows.
why. Elephants have wrinkles, wrinkles, wrinkles. Elephants have wrinkles,
Wrinkles everywhere.
Good job. That's a silly one. I hope you had fun doing the E for elephant dance with me. And you can do that one at home with your family too. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.